Mushini gwa Kenneth Stanley Jido Matiba mwena wa Nazareth Limuru andu matiganite ona aria mari miaho-ini itiganite mbere hindi na thutha wa githurano kia mwaka wa 1992 magomanire gutiya mundu uria gutekumakania mwaho uria mundu anyitaga mbaru hindi yo othe maretikaniria ati arari njamba ya wiyathi wa keri.
The sacrifices that he made, he didn't make them for personal gain or for personal glory. He made them so that Kenya can become what it is today.
What we suffered for, what we stood for, must be observed so that our detention and sufferings will not be in vain.
He was in hospital for 29 weeks. And I know what he went through because I was with him almost every moment. I stayed in hospital, took a room, and we stayed together.
Bara ya kihoto na demokrasi maroiga ati ari ndaihu na ya kunogia mwiri na meciria na yaremeire andu aingi gatagati. Marongerera ati aria mamirikirie mamiriheire na thakame na thigino ya mwiri wao na ta Matiba magitungio nguraro iria ciacenjirie miturire yao kaimana. Undu uria Raila Odinga aroiga ati ni ihoru kuona andu tacio makiriganira o uguo.
Let's not just talk about this journey of taking Ken and to bury Inooro. This is nothing. Let's give a little taking that we really in depth on Matiba and ensure that what is due to him is properly paid, his compensation, so that the people that is left behind will remember him, that in death at least he was able to be remembered.
Matiba abangirwo gugatabanirio mitha igiri cia mathiko, imwe tariki 25 kanitha-ini wa All Saints na ya keri tariki 26 kiharo-ini kia Ihura kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Naguo muthenya wa kiumia ni gugakorwo na mitha ya mwanya ya kiririkano iria karehe hamwe nyumba na arata nikambiriria thaa 8 cia miaraho nginya thaa 10. Mibango ino yothe githiaga na mbere, mutumia wa Raila Odinga ni oritie bururi ndukanariganirwo ni atumia a andu aria manyitirwo na makigurario makiroira wiyathi, gicunje gia bata kiria aroiga kiriganagira kaingi rugano rwa bara ya wiyathi rukiheanwo.
For those who are in power now, it is your turn. Think about the people of Kenya and about the families that are going through this.
The next generation, we must look and emulate what those old soldiers did.
Nyumba-ini ya iciriro mwena wa Nairobi kuria Matiba na tungata akirugamirira mbiri na kiharo abunge mambire kurugamia mihango ya gikaro kia miaraho kumutia.
I think what we need to do now is to give Stanley Matiba a decent national state burial. That is what his family requires of the nation.
That time to gather that courage and say that you want multipartyism in this country was a rare courage, and we must congratulate and thank Matiba for it.
I pass my condolences and pray that God rest his soul in eternal peace.
Kuri aria maroe Stanley Jido wa Matiba maroiga ati batu ni ya kuruira kihoto na demokrasi ni ya guithia mubiraro ungi na gibarua ni gucaria mubiraro wina hinya wa meciria na wa mwiri ta Matiba kuihuria iratu ciake. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi Nazareth ya Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.